The damage that the Russian army suffered with the invasion of Ukraine is really beyond all expectations. As the Russians failed to conquer Kiev, they are now actively withdrawing from northern Ukraine. But the Ukrainians do not give them a break. The destruction of Russian equipment continues at an unabated pace. Now we will see the latest videos of Ukrainian defenders. Here is another destroyed Russian convoy, north of Kiev. The damage is enormous.
So I'm going to walk you through quickly just how many tanks have been destroyed here. The soldiers say there were 8 bodies left behind that they removed yesterday. So that's 2 so far. There's 3. So the tank with its turret blown straight off. There's 4. There's 5. Here is number 6 and number 7 and number 8.
Here the destroyed convoy is filmed from a car. I almost feel sorry for the Russians. An ATGM fired by the Ukrainian army hit a claimed Russian BMP-3, totally destroying it. Video taken from a drone showing serious destruction of Russian vehicles, approximately 3X supply trucks, 3X Montana LB Montana LBU, BMP-2, a possible BTR BMP variant, and an MKL repair and recovery vehicle were destroyed, along with a T-72A tank. Ukrainian ATGM hit and damaged a Russian R-149MA-1 command and staff vehicle. A burning fuel truck can be seen in the background. Another Russian self-propelled artillery captured by Ukrainians. This is captured T-72 tank, in working condition, ready to fire, but now on Russian invaders. Oh, the irony. This squad picked a new rifle from the enemy, showing destroyed carrier. The occupiers fled in fear, leaving behind looted valuables and alcohol. The defenders also received a lot of trophy assault rifles and armor vests. Ukrainian women argue with Russian soldiers in occupied Energodar. The soldiers demanded that the women disperse, but the people answered that they were in their homes and suggested that the Russians have to leave. And it's clear that they will soon. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.